Hello, let's talk about ratios. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities. So let's say we're doing a little baking and we have water and flour, right? So it says for every 3 cups of water, my recipe is going to use 5 cups of flour. That's going to be my ratio, okay? Water and flour. So W to F would be 3 to 5. You can also write this other fraction as 3 over 5. Now, when we talk about a proportion, okay, that means I have two ratios that are set equal to each other, okay? That's the only difference. I'm still using ratios, which is what we have to understand. What is a proportion? A proportion is composed of two ratios that are set equal to each other. So I have one ratio here. Well, look at there. I have one ratio up there. And I'm going to use this as my base ratio to help me whenever I need to find out another ratio. So let's say I have a bigger recipe and I have 12 cups of flour. So flour goes where? Water, flour, water, flour, water, flour. Everything has to be true. Flour goes at the bottom. And I'm looking for cups of water. Whenever you set up your proportion, make sure it's true. Flour to flour. Okay, cool. Water, water. Okay, cool. I'm good. Okay. Has to be in the right spot. Now here I can't, this is when you just have to know how to solve a proportion. You can do it the same way every time. You can multiply diagonally, set that equal to each other, and then divide by the number you did not multiply by. Okay, it's just cross multiply and divide. This is algebra in this part where you want to get the W by itself, and you just divide by the number in front. So this will be 36 divided by 5, and that would be your answer. Okay, 36 divided by 5. He ran 1 lap in 7 minutes. At this rate, how far would he run in 42 minutes? So they gave us a rate, which is also a ratio. I'm comparing laps and minutes, okay? So laps to minutes. So I have 1 to 7. Then I have unknown amount of laps to 42 minutes. Now I'm going to set this up as a proportion. 1 over L is equal to 7 over 42. Doesn't matter if you put the 1 over the 7 and the L over the 42. It just has to be true. Okay, this proportion is the same as this proportion. Everything just has to be true. This is when you cross multiply and divide. 7L is equal to 42. Divide both sides by 7. L is equal to 6. Let's see. We got it right. All right, 500 people attended a concert. So they gave us the total amount of people, 500. 240 are boys. What is the ratio of boys to girls? So this is another one where they did not give us the other amount that we are missing. So we have 500 total people. If 240 were boys, then the other amount is girls. 500 minus 200 is 300. And then 300 minus 40 would be 260. So this is my girls. And they want to know boys to girls. So 240 boys to 260 girls. Let's see if we get it right. Perfect. All right, we're going to wrap it up with that question, and we will come back and do some more later.